even if you clean your lint screen every time you use your dryer, there's still going to be a whole lot of lint, pet hair, and dust inside your lint tray. So it's kind of hard to get into there. A lot of them don't have screws to take off the surrounding plastic piece. So I got this really cool product. And what's special about this one is it's upgraded. So now it can fit basically any vacuum. It's so simple, but so amazing. It has this stretchy piece. So now, no matter what kind of vacuum you have, whether you have a little shot back like this Stinger shot back, or something that just about anyone's going to have in their house is a vacuum like this with a hose here. So now all you have to do is fold in this part, and then this plastic piece is going to go right in there. And then to get a perfect seal, you just bring down this rubber piece. No matter if you have a big giant shot back, small shot back, or a regular household vacuum, you can make your dryer's lint tray clean and safe and efficient. So now there's only two things you have to do when you're cleaning the lint tray. Number one is a brush like this, and it comes in the kit. So click the link down below to get yours. So the brush is going to loosen up the dust, and then the vacuum with this long attachment is going to be able to get into the deepest parts of your dryer and clean it so that it is spotless. No matter if it's only been a couple of months or it's been a couple of years, you're going to have lint down there, guaranteed. So I'm going to turn on the vacuum, and I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to clean using this amazing vacuum attachment and brush. So it's working pretty good, but a lot of the dust and lint kind of gets stuck to the side. Most of it is microplastic, so it kind of melts on there. So that's why this brush is very important. And if you need it a little bit thicker, you could just bend one of the sides, bend it in like this, so you have a nice thick brush that's going to reach all the way in there. So now I'm going to brush it, and you're going to be kicking up a lot of dust, so definitely wear a mask. And the pro tip, you could take a dryer sheet and have it suctioned in, and then use it to get all the dust around there, kind of like a brush. And there we go. With these two little tools, I've tried every gizmo and gadget that you could possibly get, and these two tools are the only thing you need to clean the inside of your dryer. So click the link down below to get this product and make your house safe